Hey guys, welcome to my video. I'm Riley, I'm 23 years old, and I'm going to show you some new makeup products I got during the Sephora sale, yeah, just what I got at the Sephora sale, and using those products on my face today to create this look. I have my iced coffee, and I'm going to first curl my hair, so I'm going to do a little montage of that. First, before I start, I'm going to put this Living Proof Perfect Hair Bodybuilder in. It's heat protectant slash builds volume, so. It feels like Friday. It's only Thursday though. So I'm gonna do it in layers because I have thick hair. I should say a lot of hair. The individual pieces are thin, but there's a lot of it. So I'm gonna do that. Okay, sectioned it off. And then I'm gonna use this curling iron. It's super old. It's Bombay hair. I think this is the 1.5 barrel. And then just gonna take a piece like this and then wrap it around outwards, going away from the face. And I just leave a tiny bit out. Hold it about 10 seconds. And then, ta-da! I need to get a haircut. I haven't in a while. So I'll probably need to do that soon. Probably make an appointment soon. Oh, I dropped it. I'm struggling. Okay, there we go. Worked out, showered. Now I'm getting ready. My temperature of my curler is at 370, by the way. I don't like to go above 400 because I feel like it's bad for your hair. I don't know if that's true, but that's what I personally like to do. In the back, I'll do them different directions just to give it more volume. Now that it's done curling, I'm going to take this Living Proof texture mist and spray that. And then I'll go in with this wave spray. They both smell so good. And then I'm not gonna brush it out yet. I'm gonna do that after I do my makeup. Just change my shirt into a tie-dye pastel shirt because I think I'm gonna do a colorful spring look. Yeah, I just got my Sephora order in from the VIB sale, the spring sale. And so I wanted to try out those things that I got and create a makeup look with it. So, first thing that I picked up was this Beauty Blender Besties kit, which was $20, the same as just this. So it comes with like a little pouch, the soap, sponge, and this little scrub that you can like wash it off on there. So that's cute. I'm gonna go wet this and then I'll be back. I'm gonna first start with the eyeshadow. And I picked up this Huda Beauty Mercury Retrograde palette because it had a lot of pretty pastel colors in it. And it was on sale, like extra sale. Very pretty. Those are pretty colors. Wow. I'm not sure what I'm gonna do yet. But I'm gonna first start with concealer. Today I'm gonna use my Too Faced Born This Way multi-use concealer. This is available at Sephora. And put on my eyelids. And then go in with this foundation brush and just blend that in all over my eyelid. I've been really into like pastel colors, especially makeup. I think they're like so pretty and just so springy. So that's my eyes. I did pick up a powder, which is the Ilia Soft Focus Finishing Powder. I'll put some on the cap and then I'll just put it on the Beauty Blender and then blend that into my eye. Next, I'm going to take a fluffy shadow brush. I'm going to go in with Karma, which is this shade. It's a good neutral color. Oh wow. Pigmented. I was thinking about doing a couples Q&A, kind of like making it like a drinking Q&A. So I think that would be interesting. I just need to ask James if he wants to do it. I like to do eyeshadow first so then I can clean up the edges easier. I need to make sure I don't do that because I tend to do that with my eyes when I'm doing my eyeshadow. Don't want wrinkles. I think I'm going to do a purple look. I'm going to go in with Off Balance, which is this one, right here, and put that all over my lid. Okay, that's my eyes so far. I'm gonna fix the light just so it's better. I dropped everything, so that's good. Good news. I'm gonna take a flat shadow brush like this, and then I'm gonna go in with Libra, which is this one, very purple lilac color. And then I'm gonna put that all over my lid. Oh wow, that's so pretty. I'm gonna take the fluffy brush and just blend that kind of outwards. And then I'm gonna go in with Cosmic with my finger, which is this pinky purple eyeshadow. Tap my finger on that and just do the inner corner. I'm only doing like the inner parts of my eye, inner half. I think I'm gonna add a tiny bit of blue to the outside corner. We'll see how this works. Take this brush. Wow, it's the color Haze. It's a teal one. Just kind of like a tie-dye effect, like my shirt. Very pretty blue. Then I'm gonna take a fluffy brush, this clean, fluffy brush, this one, and then just kind of blend that. I'm kind of like keeping it in a V area. I'm gonna clean this up after. I'm gonna add a little bit more of the purple. It doesn't look great right now, but it will, hopefully. And then I'm gonna clean up the edges by taking it like this. I'm just going up. That's my eyes. Looks a little weird without anything else done. So, I'm gonna start my face. And I picked up this Marc Jacobs Dew Everything travel sized primer. Oh wow, They're small. They're very cute and mini. But I just wanted to try them to see how they are. I'm gonna try this color in Do You? Question mark. I'm gonna put that all over my face. Super glowy. Wow. Then I'm gonna go in with foundation, and I'm using my Sephora Best Skin Ever foundation. This is not brand new, but it is new. A new product that they have. I've used it before. It's very nice. All blended. Go in with concealer. And to open up my new cream bronzer. It's the Tarte Breezy cream bronzer. Look like this. It's very big. It's very matte. And then I'm also going to open up this Dew Balm by Say. Oh, that's so cute in that color. Okay, I'm gonna blend my concealer in. I'm first gonna go in with the cream bronzer. I'm gonna take the stippling brush like this. This one's from e.l.f. Just kind of twirl, and then it looks a little reddish, red undertoned. So hopefully it looks good. Kind of reminds me of like a brick. I'm gonna blend it in with the beauty blender. It blends in pretty well. I'm gonna go in with the new highlight, which is Say in the Dew Balm in Bronze Nectar. I'm just gonna put it on my finger. It's kind of hard. That highlight didn't work, so I added a different cream one over. And then I'm gonna set my face with the Ilia Soft Focus Setting Powder. I'm gonna carve out under. I'm just gonna let that sit. It's very nice under my eyes. I haven't noticed any creasing or splotching under my eyes, which sometimes I do see. It's very nice and blurred. I'm gonna go in with this Charlotte Tilbury Mini Filmstar Bronze and Glow palette. Take a bronzer brush. Then go in with highlight, the highlight here. I'm going to do my brows off camera, and I'll come back. And do my eyelashes as well, off camera. I'm going to brush this off, and then do some setting spray. I'm going to apply lip liner. I'm going to use this NYX lip liner, lip crayon in Nude. And then I'm going to apply this e.l.f. lip lacquer over. So this is my finished makeup look. I hope you guys enjoyed that. It's a little different for me. I think it's fun and cool. Matches my shirt. I also wanted to mention real quick that I did not like the Say Dew Balm highlighter. It's not for me. It wasn't very highlighty. I'm not a fan. Didn't do much for me. So, I'm gonna probably return that. Thanks for watching my video. Please like and subscribe down below, and bye.